In today's video, I'll show you how you can run fixed asset register in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So here we are in QuickBooks, and from here what you want to do is that you just simply need to click here on the gear icon on the top right first, and then go into the chart of accounts. In here, you want to click on New Account, and then you would want to go for the account name. So let's say that I'm going to go for new furnitures or something like that. You could also be more specific if you'd want, but yeah, I'm just going to use this as an example and then go into account type. So as for this one, we would want the fixed assets, and then the detailed type is that I'm going to go for the let's say equipment. And next is that you could also go for sub account if you'd want to, and then you would want to enter the original cost of this. So let's say 4,500, and then you could go for the date when you have bought this. So let's say I go for 25, or the value of this item or this account is 4,500 as of this date right here. Next is that you could also go for a depreciation if you'd want. So this is not automatic here in QuickBooks. So now you can go for the depreciation. So let's say something like that. And I'm going to go for this date. And then the description. So let's say new furnitures for work, maybe something like that. Next is that you want to click on save, or you can also click here and then you can save and new if you do want to create another one. I'm just going to click there and save. And now from here, we would now be able to see that right here on all list here in chart of accounts. So let's go and disable the search first. And then you should now be able to see that somewhere in here, new furnitures, and then we have the depreciation and then the original cost. It is now listed right here. So yeah, that's how you can do it here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.